Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to Beautiful Rose Garden. If you love gentle gardening, natural methods, and the joy of blooming roses, you're in the right place. Now, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment telling me where you're watching from. I'd love to connect with you. Today, I'm going to show you a very simple and effective way to root your rose cuttings using just rice and coffee. No chemicals, just natural ingredients from your kitchen. Let's begin this peaceful journey together. Step 1. Prepare the coffee solution. Take 2 teaspoons of pure coffee powder, not instant coffee, but real ground coffee. Coffee is full of nutrients like potassium and small trace minerals. These help new roots grow stronger. Now mix the coffee with about 150 milliliters of warm water. Not too hot, just around 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. Let it sit for a few minutes. This helps the nutrients come out gently into the water. Step 2. Prepare the rice water. Next, we'll make our rice mixture. Take 2 tablespoons of rice and add it to 150 milliliters of warm water, just like before. Rice contains B vitamins and minerals that help nourish young plant tissues. Let this mixture rest for about 10 minutes as well. Step 3. Get your rose cuttings ready. Choose a healthy rose stem, about 15 to 20 centimeters long. Look for a branch with 2 or 3 leaf buds. Gently remove the bottom leaves, but leave the top 2 or 3. This helps the cutting focus on growing roots instead of losing water. Now use clean scissors to cut the bottom of the stem at a 45-degree angle. This increases the surface area for water and nutrients to enter. Step 4. Clean the stem. Before soaking it in the solution, dip the cut end of your rose stem into clean filtered water for a few minutes. This helps clean the sap and opens the stem to absorb nutrients better. Step 5. Mix the rooting solution. Now, strain both the rice and coffee mixtures using a cloth or fine sieve. Remove all the solid parts. We just need the clean liquid. Then mix both liquids together in one container. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. This protects against mold. 1 teaspoon of honey, a gentle natural root booster. Stir gently until all is well mixed. Step 6. Soak the cutting. Now place the base of your rose stem into the solution. Let it soak for 2 to 4 hours. During this time, the cutting will absorb the nutrients and prepare for rooting. Step 7. Plant in sand. We'll use clean sand as the growing medium. Sand allows air to flow and prevents too much moisture, which can rot the stem. Fill a plastic cup with moist sand. Then plant the cutting right in the middle. Make sure the leaf buds are above the surface. That's where new shoots will grow. Step 8. Create a mini greenhouse. Take a larger plastic cup with small holes and place it upside down over the planted cutting. This creates a mini greenhouse, keeping the moisture in and the temperature stable. Place the setup in a cool, well-lit place, but not in direct sunlight. Bonus tip, use the leftover solution. You can dilute the leftover rooting solution with 300 milliliters of water. Spray it on other plants in your garden to help them grow stronger roots too. Step 9. Be patient and watch the magic. After 2 to 3 weeks, depending on your climate and rose variety, you'll start to see small shoots from the leaf buds. Then gentle white roots will begin to form at the base. This means your cutting is now alive and thriving. Step 10. Time to repot. Once you see lots of roots growing and the shoots getting taller, it's time to move your rose to a bigger pot. Choose a pot with drainage holes. Use soft, rich soil. You can mix with coconut fiber to help it breathe better. This gives your young rose the best start before it goes into the garden. And that's it, dear friends. With just rice, coffee, and a little care, you can create strong, blooming roses right from a cutting. If you enjoyed this gentle guide, please share it with your fellow garden lovers. And don't forget to subscribe to Beautiful Rose Garden so we can continue to grow beauty, peace, and joy, one rose at a time. See you again in the next video. Until then, may your garden be filled with blooms and calmness.